And the shape on the inside is very much like a cone. And now I'm going to just start to pull this out. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah, we're almost there. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out. Now, I'm going to split this down, so watch this very carefully. I'm going to take this, and this is going to be the inside of that. Okay, and I want to drop this down just a little bit right here, so that top area, it falls down in there. Now, it's still a little too small, but it's easier to work this way. So I need to come out to here, which is exactly where I want to be. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to give this a little bit of a push. All right, we're going to go ahead and give that a little out. And we're going to see where we're at. Let's take a look. Probably very close. Perfect. Okay, that's good. Now, we got a lot of extra clay here. I haven't made one of these. I usually like to weigh my pieces out. So, again, I don't need all this. So I'm just going to get rid of some of this. Okay. Get rid of all that extra clay. Do my trimming right now. All right, now this is going to have to stiffen up later, okay? Do it again. Yeah, I have to do a bit of trimming, but that's okay. All right, let's double check. So again, I'm taking this measurement to the outside of this. All right, and so we're pretty close. I can stretch it out just a little bit. We want to make sure this is up and down or slightly in, actually. So a little bit, you notice I'm kind of going in there just a little bit like this shape. Ooh, that's going to be good. All right, drop this down just a little bit. Now sometimes you see people take this tool and make just a little divot. Let me see if I can find it. Take this tool, you know, the back of this small wooden rib, and I just go ahead and I just drop this down just a little bit, and that just gives it a nice little area for that top of that lid to rest. Okay? I think we're pretty close to finishing. Let's see. I can open this up just a little bit. Okay. Get the water out of the middle. Nice punch. I think I spend more time looking for tools. All right, maybe do a little nice little thing on the inside. Give it a little dabbly-do, and there you have it. That's the lid. All right, so it looks like this. Oh, Jeremy, I think I'm just about done if you can hit the off button. So there it is. That's the lid. I'll put these two together later, but that's how you do it. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. Have a great day.